Now that schools are using the SEMIS app to record attendance, it's time to make the most of the data through the DHIS2 dashboard. First, let's log in to the DHIS2 platform using the school credentials. Now, click on ZOOSC Attendance Reporting under the Report section. This is where we can see the Learner Absence Tracking dashboard for the head teacher. To see the report, we need to select the filters, starting from the academic year, then the school. To see more details, we can select the grade, class, and even gender. Head teachers can first check how well the app is being used in the App Usage tab. The main rate calculates how many school days the attendance was registered out of the total school days so far. It can also be seen by month and week. To get more details, the head teacher can check the usage in the last 7 days, and use the table on the bottom to have a full view of all the classes in the school. Next, check the Aggregate Absence Rate tab to view overall attendance, absences by gender and grade, and spot trends over time. The data conveys total number of absences in school days. The absence rate is displayed by month and week to spot time trends, and by absence reason to identify challenges of attending classes. To monitor individual learners, this tab shows absence rates categorized by severity, from rarely absent to those at risk of dropping out. There is a table available of all learners in the school to support teachers in identifying cases and acting on it. Then finally, the last tab shows any learners with no recorded attendance at all, a red flag to follow up on. The DHIS2 dashboard gives schools the power to manage their data and support every learner.